Hey guys, welcome back to another video to Hunt and Strutter. In this video, I'm filming on my phone. I usually film on my camera. This is a Panasonic Lumix FZ35. I don't think I've ever done a video with it yet, but I need to get a computer. Hopefully I get that pretty soon. But then we're going to do a review on Primo's chicken on a stick. As you be like, this ain't a stick. This is a thing from my other turkey decoy, so we'll talk in that in a minute. Here we go. Strutter decoy, as you can tell. It's a little Jake. I'm gonna do some good things I like about it, and one thing I don't. Thing I didn't like about it is that it had, whenever I got it, it had a little rip right here, so it bends up. And I hope the turkeys won't actually see that, and actually see that it goes right through. But and the thing broke. I was making a video on this camera whenever I had that. When I had my laptop working, and I stuck it in the ground, then it broke. So I didn't post that video at all. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can. There's a Primo's Gobstopper hen up there. I love Primos. I got everything Primos. Mostly I got calls and everything else, but this is a good turkey decoy. So I got this from an old turkey decoy, and I glued it in. So I hope that works. Sorry if you hear footsteps walking down through that. That's my dad. It's a realistic head. The beard is small, but it's a Jake. It's a real nice turkey decoy. I really tell you to go get it if that's it all planned out. You can put the real beard, the real fan on it, but I decided not to. I don't even have a fan here. I've only shot one turkey, and I shot one last year. And the other beard, and other fans, not my grandpa's. But today, it's like, I think 3 weeks until youth turkey season, so I'm gonna film. I might film on this. Yeah, but here's the camera. But I told me you like this video from Hunt and Strutter, and I'd like if you like and subscribe and tell people about this account. So next, if you want me to do a review on my shotgun, my turkey loads, I sure will. Now this is Hunt and Strutter out.